What's up, guys? Before the video starts, I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel and liking it. And if you haven't did that yet, go ahead and subscribe. And if you're thinking about getting into the carpet cleaning business, I do offer a step-by-step course down below in the description, as well as the tools I love and use. So now you know. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. But enough about me. Let's get to the subject at hand. This early day for me, I'm kind of just cleaning up my wands, kind of just doing odds and ends that I need to do. That sometimes I'm too busy. But my first wand, TMF wand here, was really dirty. I actually did a video on it. I was kind of embarrassed that I didn't haven't been cleaning it. So I'm definitely not gonna let my new swivel get that way. Love my new swivel here. Got this from Wonders, and man, I'm telling you, I know a lot of the old school guys don't care for the swivel. Maybe they just haven't gave it a chance, because I found that when you're inside at home, working around furniture, under tables, under beds or whatever, this thing's so much easier to get in and around things when you're in a home than a non-swivel. So I'll never buy another wand that is not a swivel. I can tell you that much. This wand served its purpose. I've used this for 2 years, roughly, and man, you know, I mean, it works fine. There's slight differences that I enjoy more about this, being, yes, the swivel, of course. The glides way more better than this one. Okay, way better. It just almost to where you're not sure if it's even vacuuming so well, you know, or if the suction's enough. But these holes in here like that creates a Venturi effect. I believe that's what it's called. So as it's pulling the water or whatever, when it's going around the surface is when it pulls up the force. So you would think that this would not pick as much up, but this actually leaves carpets drier. This is what I had. You know, no complaints. My carpets were drying between 3 to 5 hours. I timed them on my carpet, and it was closer to the 3 hours. So yeah, I mean, you got to have a truck mount to get that kind of dry time anyways, guys, unless you're going to go follow it up with a bonnet or something like that if you're doing hot water extraction with a portable. But the main thing I wanted to talk about is filtration lines. Now, filtration lines is a pain in the butt for a lot of people. Never really been too pain in the butt for me. Fortunately, all the cards lined up for me, you know. I got into carpet cleaning, never really knew what a filtration line was, and so I just kind of did what I thought worked, and it, you know, it worked for me. I didn't know that nobody else was doing it like that. So, you know, hey, not all situations will work out like the way I do it, but for me it works because everything lined up. Because when I bought this wand, it had this glide on it. So this glide is actually better for filtration lines than this glide. You can't clean filtration lines with this guide. You can't get close enough to the wall. So what I do when I do filtration lines is, what I'll do is I'll go along the wall. Imagine that's the wall and that's the corner right there. I'm gonna put this down. So imagine this is the wall, floorboard, carpet. There's the filtration line right there. Okay. So what I do is I mist that, get it wet. Then I go across it with a scrubber. Something like this will work, right? Or if you got something you don't have to bend down. Or what I use is when I have my multi-wash on the van, I put side brushes on here and just run across, it goes right across the side of right against the floorboard on those filtration lines. So as I'm pre-scrubbing, I kind of just do that, right? So it isn't an extra step because I'm already pre-scrubbing anyway. All right, so now that I have the solution down, I did a little bit of agitation. By the way, I'm using carpet detail. Apparently there's a chemistry to getting rid of filtration line. And just like I said, all the moons lined up perfect for me. I was using the right product with the right glide. So filtration lines were no problem for me. You can't do stairs and stuff like that, or really tight areas, but you know, in a bedroom or you know this and that. So as I was saying, I pre-sprayed, I agitated, and as I went along the wall, what I would do is I'd go head onto the wall, and I would drop. First, I would do a little mist. I lift up the wand like this, and then do a mist. Then I'll bring it and drop the wand down, about like that. And spray and bring it back, and your filtration line will be gone. So you got to kind of do that as you're doing your carpet. So it's nothing extra really. You just kind of, once you get to the wall, you're dropping your wand down a little bit and rinsing out and sucking up that filtration line. So you're going against the wall anyway, so you just do your normal pass. But when you get to the wall, you drop it down. So that's how I do it. I did kind of get into it with somebody on a Facebook group, which I'm really kicking myself out of pretty much all of them nowadays, guys, because, you know, I don't do social media because it just, I don't know, people are catty and drama, and it's just really not a good place to be, you know. Honestly, I get on there, I see posts, and I give my opinion of my experience and help people. And sometimes when you do that, other people disagree with you, and because they've been doing it for 40 years, they feel that they're just more superior and know more than you. But so I kind of got into it with a guy. I really respect the guy's opinion on hardwood floors and all that stuff, and man, he's really educated. But if you can tell me it's impossible to clean filtration line with your wand, I'm gonna say hogwash. So what I did is I followed up with some videos of me actually doing it, because you know I video all my work. So with this, you cannot do that because it's too thick, and I had to kind of figure out why. Why is it? Because from here out, when you drop it down, it's still too thick, because I think because it's rounded and this is squared. So what I'm doing is I'm cleaning this thing up, and now I'm cleaning the jets. I have the jets in, this is white vinegar. This is a tip, guys. The night before you go to bed, go ahead and drop your jets into the white vinegar. Next morning, it's going to be crystal clean. All your jets are going to be clean. Everything's going to be beautiful. So I'm doing that, and I'll put those back in there, make sure everything's cleaned. So I'm going to put this in the van. That way, if I go to a job to where I'm going to do filtration lines, you know, I'll bust out this wand. But 99% of the time I'm going to be using this wand because I like this wand better. The actual jets are perfect for my machine and all that stuff. And Joe over there at Wanders, they're really good at getting you the right stuff if you just kind of communicate with them. If you don't know, give them a call. So, but they do have options on their website. But like I said, if you don't know, give them a call. Tell them what machine you're using and stuff like that. They work with you. And if you ever do want to order a swivel wand, order it through them. I think I do got a link under the tools I use below all my videos. It'll take you to a page, and click that link. It'll take you straight to it. And yeah, so these are about $1,000. If you buy them elsewhere, they're closer to $2,000. I don't know why. You know, I don't know why. Anyway. Oh, so back to the matter at hand. Okay, so the glide makes the difference. Now, if you have a wand like this, and also all the stars lined up good for me anyway, right? Because when I first started out, I was using a portable. Here's my portable Enduro. And here's my wand, and as you can tell, the end of that wand is plastic. So I'm not going to go damaging people's stuff, right? When I was doing filtration lines with that. If you took the glide off and said, well, I'll just take the glide off and I'll be right up next to the wall, then you're dealing with, you know, hard metals to the wall, and that's not good, because you'll probably scrape it up or dent it or whatever. So basically you do need some sort of glide or a portable wand type of deal that's plastic. So think about that. But you can't always clean filtration lines with a wand, okay? Because stairs, really tight areas, you can't do that. So you need to get one of these. Now when I have to pull out this tool, I actually charge more. So I'm a $48 room guy right now. When I gotta use this tool, I'm a $60 room guy. Okay, so that means I gotta actually put another tool. You know, I gotta do extra work. Okay, I gotta go along the outside of the walls, on the stairs, or wherever it's tight squeeze. So say you have a wand, you love it. You don't want to go buy yourself another whole nother wand just for doing filtration lines. Get one of these. I think I got this for like around $100 and something bucks. Not too expensive. Maybe it was on eBay. I don't know. I just searched around for it. It's called a crevice tool. So if you don't have the right glide, you can get one of these and just do what I said. Pre-spray, agitate, and just go right around the outside with the crevice tool. And that's what I do for stairs and stuff like that. So, and you can charge extra if you want to. If since you're doing this, I mean, get that $20 more. I mean, they're going to pay more to get rid of that black line, because those black lines are ugly. Chemistry. So I'm told that chemistry matters, because on that Facebook group, they were talking a lot about chemistry and this and that. Well, it just so happens I was using the right project for the job, carpet detail. Man, I'm telling you, this stuff's good for everything. If you ain't using it, give it a try. Just give it a try. And right down below my videos, you get a special Rhino 10. If you give them the coupon code Rhino 10, they'll give you $10 off the order. So, I mean, try it out. I've been using this thing this carpet details for a long time, and I'll be honest with you guys. I talked to the manufacturer, and I said, I promote you guys' stuff just without I wasn't intending anything, but it'd be nice to have a coupon code for people or something like that, so people can try it out. So they got that for me. So that's it for this video. There may be a lot of really experienced guys out there, that carpet cleaners, that will probably just disagree with me on my method. Maybe even my solutions here, but proof is in the pudding. I got videos to back it up, and next time I run into a filtration job, I'm gonna pull this out. By the way, I'm gonna making space for that 2 wands in here, and I'm going to take that wand out there, that tile wand right there. You see that? Waste of money. Wish I never got that. This is I got it for going in like bathrooms and stuff like that, tight spaces, not having to get on my hands and knees with that thing. But it's harder, actually. It's easier to get on your hands and knees with that. than this. So I'm not too excited about that purchase. So I'm going to replace that with my wand. So I have two wands in there. All right, that's it. I'm not going to take any more of your time up. If you like the information that I'm giving you, and go ahead and hit that like, subscribe if you haven't did that yet. And if you got any comments, you know, agree or disagree, go ahead and put it down below. You know, just because you disagree doesn't mean I agree with you. But you know, I mean, your method works too. Whatever, you know, kind of deal. All right, we'll see you in the next one.